Yes, dear friends, today I will be giving you some good insight of textile industry. As we know, our textile industry is the most important industry as we understand that roti, kapda or makan, food, shelter and clothing. These are the three important things. I passed out from an engineering institute TIT Bhiwani in 1981. At that time, I was the happiest person thinking, yes, in our textiles we can do anything, and this is very good line. Because I was the eldest son of my family, so I was having little responsibility. Yes, after passing out, I should get the service at that time. Although my father insisted you should go for higher education, I told there is no need, we'll make everything in our this study B-Text engineering which I did. Friends, then I joined very good groups in my life, RSWM group, then Super Syncotex, Bhilwara Spinners, Maral Overseas and many more. Around 8 places I have gone in last 39 years. I enjoyed everywhere. And I was having confidence that we can do anything because passion was in us. We were able to control the manpower, we were able to control the things, machines, then what else? If you have your behavior good, overall, you are the sole winner. We did lot of things for our workforce. I was always true to them because I got everywhere support. You can do best when you are favoring your persons on particular good jobs. That should be the strategy. And friends, during vacations, I was having trainees during their training program from, say, textile, especially from different institutes. And I was having such a nice confidence at that time that I can make them supervisor, who is the backbone of, supervision process for making good quality, good production. When they come, I used to tell them, just enter from blow room. In blow room, he should see how the mixing is laid in synthetic or as well as cotton. Today, let me talk about cotton industry, cotton hosiery or warp. See the cotton, where is the mic, mean length, maturity, denier, microneer, all these parameters when you take in range, they give good homogeneity in the mixing. You should not make maximum varieties, but 2-3 variety you can make and it will give good results. From small length, say 26 mm to 31 also should not be mixed. Otherwise, in comber process, it will create problem. After seeing all these things, contamination removal system, how it is working, how many strokes it is giving on the bed, then you see how the lighting is there. Wherever you can switch off the lights, unnecessary lights, you can do it. Then after seeing the process, machinery, belts condition, flow of the material, say 5% it should be in the working like beaters and all that, only 5 to 8% it should stop, so that the opening action and metal flow is better to the next carding section. When you go into the carding, then see how the wires are working, what is the maintenance schedule, what is the life of the wire, how individual card behaves, waste wise, flats condition, whether flats are not embedding, sliver CV is okay or not, cleanliness is how much. When a new person understands all these things, then he becomes proud that he is learning something. Similarly, in the next machines, it is breaker draw frame, how the cleaning is done, 2 hourly cleaning, what is the roll pressure, how maintenance schedule is going on, and then what quality they are making, how the oyster is responding, how is the suction system. Means on every place he can learn lot of things. Go stage by stage. I tell you, it is the matter of passion. Suppose you are standing in ring frame, you just see how the metal flows from top to bottom. Like you put simplex bobbin over there, how the simplex bobbin, what is the brand of this, you know, uh, bobbin holder, how much time it has worked, whether it is giving jerky motion, whether rowing is coming right, rowing path is okay, rowing, rods, guide rods are okay, it is not touching to the bottom of the simplex bobbin, then goes into the drafting through inlet rowing, it is not choked, it is not getting fibers attached to it because of rough surface. Better the surface, better will be the passage of the rowing. Then you can see how it is going to the back roller, front roller, through middle roller, and then on the nip of the roller. When piecing, you are getting right traverse, right centering. Damn lot of things, 100 things you can see on one point. And if we are doing with that sincerity and observation, things cannot go beyond your reach. Every stage, I will be going in details also in the next videos, but when we are telling this, then how the diameter, how the built, it is tight or loose, what is the diameter, say 36 mm, how much it should be, around say 1.5 mm to 2 mm, means 32 mm, what is the weight coming, whether bottoms are coming, whether worker, our associates, we call workers as associates, our associates are cleaning the machine properly. Cleaning of the machine at each stage of the spinning department, knitting department, anywhere, say maybe garments, dyeing, cleaning plays the important role. In one thing I recall, when we were going on the mill visits or say other mills, we were asking why the people, means why the owners are spending so much on the lawns. In the front side, back side, anywhere, greenery was the theme. Good trees were also planted there. The purpose was, when you enter in a factory or mill, it should look, yes, you are entering in a temple. And when you are doing that, your mind, that is automatically accustomed to that atmosphere. If the entry is bad, foul smell, everything, mind says, what is this? You might have seen in lot of mills when Nike, Puma or other parties, big parties, Hugo Boss, they were taking round, their technicians were coming, inspectors were coming. They were asking where our associate sits, how he or she goes into the bathroom, what is the bathroom condition. We were teaching to our associates how up to 7 to 8 feet there are tiles which are not available in their homes also. How to sit on the pot, how to keep that area clean, how to make everybody clear that they are not chewing tobacco, not coming on the duty with the hard drinks. These are the main important things. Similarly, when a new supervisor or trainee supervisor sees how the yarn is analyzed. When you stand on the screen of the autoconer, you find how the faults are coming. They are coming from ring frame, from drying, simplex, everywhere. Spectrogram plays a very important role. UT6 system gives very clarity for everything. Now the technology has changed, as I am seeing for last 40 years. You can make the quality. You can make wonderful production and quality with your little insight and thinking. When in 2 months, proper, thorough, hard-working, trained these persons, they are going to be an asset to an organization. There are a lot of things, but the video will be much more longer. So I would say and suggest to all my juniors and all my new entrants in the textiles, dear friends, textile line is little bit hard work. People want white collar job. Passion is not there. They feel tired in 8 hours. But friends, I tell you, I can take 6 to 8 hours round today also. I am taking. When you enter in the department, you recall a lot of things which you have done in your past. Now my mission is that how I can train to my persons, how I can give best to the industry, which I have learnt in last 39 years. If suppose, I will suggest to the new entrants, if suppose you make a mistake somewhere, don't hide. Tell it to your senior. Tell to seniors' bosses also, sir, I have made this mistake. Nothing to worry, everything can be mended with some minimum loss. But if you are not caring, you are hiding the things, you lose your credibility, integrity. So, dear friends, I think you might have learnt a lot of things. And again, I will be telling in details. You can query for anything and we will be in touch. Thank you. Till next video. All the best.